मुझ पे भरोसा करती हो कि नहीं आर्या? तुम तैयार हो सब कुछ छोड़ के मेरे साथ जाने के लिए?
Hi Alicia, how are you
Hi
doing?
Rohit, I'm
How
good. How are
is
you?
this
How's
quarantine
quarantine?
time treating you? Yeah, it's pretty nice with me. India is just producing a wide range of content. That's what I wanted to talk about. Hotstar's latest offering, Arya.
तो पहले क्यों नहीं संभाला तूने हमारा धंधा?
क्योंकि पहले धंधा मर्द संभालते थे, अब बचे नहीं।
To be honest, when I first saw the look of it, I really liked and I would appreciate the director and the makers of it, because it does grab all my attention, and I was definitely impressed with the trailer. Firstly because it had Sushmita Sen, and to look at her after such a long time, it was nice to see her on screen.
It's very intelligent way of cutting a trailer where you're sort of giving out information, yet you're not revealing everything about it. There's a intrigue factor, there's a mystery factor which is still kept intact. So what we know from the trailer is Sushmita Sen, she is a housewife to Chandrachud Singh, which again is a very interesting addition. So she is married to a guy who's involved in drug dealing activities, and then there is an attack. There's a brutal attack that happens, and the rest of the story is about, it's a whodunit. It's a classic case of thriller, and the way transition happens in Sushmita Sen's character from a housewife who has like basic values and she just wants to lead a simple life, and towards the other half of the trailer, what you see is she has suddenly taken over as a really powerful woman.
She's playing the titular character, which
Clearly I think gives us a very intact indication that it's all about her. She is going to be the person who's going to drive the show.
फिर से वो बनो जो तुम हो, पंजे बाहर निकालो, शेरनी की तरह, ऐसे।
I feel along with Sushmita Sen, there's Chandrachud Singh, who I feel fits perfect as her husband and as a person who would deal into a sort of drug.
It's a little difficult for me to take Chandrachud Singh into a character as this, because if you talk about his role in Josh, he's the sweet guy who basically shies away from fighting, who runs away from fighting, who's got values. It's a little difficult for me to accept, but I think we'll have to wait until the series actually comes out to give a more concrete decision about anything. There's Namit Das, there is Manish Chaudhary, and there's Sikandar K. Now the thing with Manish Chaudhary and Namit Das, see, these are really good when it comes to delivering power performance.
मेरा 300 करोड़ का कंसाइनमेंट चोरी हो गया है.
Namit Das, he's got a very jovial and a very happy character usually. Again, he's playing character with a dark side, somebody who doesn't look like has good intentions.
छोटा सा अफीम का फूल कितने लोगों की जान ले सकता है.
That's why I said it's a very interesting way of casting.
It's
something
moderate.
which is,
I feel you would only know when you see them in different characters.
Now, the interesting part is to see someone like Ram Madhwani direct, a series which falls under the crime thriller genre, because he is someone who has directed Mirja, a lot of ad films like Airtel and stuff.
He was making it, all of his ad films were light, and moving from a very light genre to a thriller would be an interesting part to look at.
ये काफी interesting होगा देखने के लिए कि from his viewpoint, how has he created something we have not seen him create, in the past. As we discussed initially, the trailer is keeping you engrossed. It's giving out the basics of the plot, and it's telling you, there is a mystery, there are these suspects, but it's not just giving it away. There are still a lot of questions that seem to be unanswered, and something that will make you go ahead and watch this series. Something like, for example, why is Sushmita Sen's character taking that transition? The writing is really fantastic is what I feel.
I like the story, the way it's set up, and how it narrates the entire thing, not giving out the entire thing, but somehow keeping you glued throughout.
They're actually running an international drug racket.
वो आपके तीनों बच्चों को उठाकर ले जाएंगे.
To answer all your unanswered questions that you may have after watching the trailer, the show is out on Friday, the 19th of June. Keep watching.
भरोसा वही तोड़ते जिन पे भरोसा किया जाता है।